You like your bananas, huh? Come here. You're the big boss of the place. Come here. You gotta come get it. You want it? You want it? You come get it.
So sweet.
You want some? It's hot.
So cute.
You're getting all the bananas.
I know. He's
I
panting.
know they're hot.
He's so panting.
Yeah, there you go. You guys like peels? You like banana peels? No? Let's try that? No? No, they're not into the peel. Put a little banana in there for you to make it taste better. A little banana in your water. Get some potassium.
Oh, I'm taking care of the kandamundi.
There you go. You want to try this? Come here.